Hey there everyone, Hitesh here, back again with another video, and this video is a laid back video, chill out. And I just wanted to give you some updates about my upcoming travel. So this video is not about learning anything, this is about like update. Like I do Facebook updates too, so this is like a video update on YouTube, kind of a new stuff. So this video I want to talk about the upcoming travel plans because some of you are interested in meeting me, having a coffee or just say hello, just like that. So if you are nearby, obviously I would recommend you to come on to the place where I will be hanging around. So this entire month is already booked, February. I'm having some plans for March as well, and then I am having a couple of travel to London, Paris, and Spain as well. So let me walk you through. On the 3rd of February, that is tomorrow, I will be at Gyan Vihar for a conference. I will be there around 11-ish, a little bit give or take based on traffic, around 11 till maybe 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock because I do have a meeting at 6 o'clock in the evening, so I'll be back before that. And then tomorrow, this is the plan for tomorrow. Then on 8th of February, I will be in Global University, I guess. I'll update more on the Facebook page. In the Global University, again back in Jaipur. And then on 13th of February, I will be in Bengal. I will be at St. Xavier's College. They have done my tickets, haven't sent it to me. Hey guys, if you're watching this, shoot me an email. I know the tickets are already done, everything is already set up, so I will be there in Bengal. And then I will not be available in the country from, I guess, 15th of February till the end of February. I will not be available here. Then, then I will have a meeting on, I guess, 27th of February in Bangalore. I'll be back. And so far, March first week is free. And then, but I'm pretty sure colleges are approaching me and probably it will get a little bit busy. And then on 16, 17, and 18, I believe so, I forgot about the dates, I will be in Vellore. So it's pretty jam-packed. I do have other colleges approaching me. But again, I cannot travel that much, of course. I love to, but again, who will be doing my work here? So I'm trying to travel as much as in the universities so that only the travel I'm accepting is those guys who can accept or can bear my air travel, as well as I can land directly in their city and can just come back on the same day because obviously my work suffers when I travel. So yes, this is the current plan, and I highly recommend all of you guys to join me up on Instagram and on Facebook as well. I do post most updates on Facebook, so join me up there. And in case you are joining up for these conferences in Gyan Vihar, in Global, in St. Xavier's in Bengal, and in Vellore, a couple of other colleges are there. I'll reveal that very soon. So yes, these are the current plans for right now. Just hanging around, laid back, chill out. So that's it for this video, and go ahead, enjoy. Keep writing some code. Enjoy, the weather is getting pretty awesome. And if you are joining up these conferences, don't forget to say me hello there. I would be waiting for you. That's it, and catch you up in another video.